Hello everyone, Joey is here coming to you with another video, and here's something special. I saw this on Kickstarter and I had to ask for a sample. This is from MOFT. This is their adhesive foldable laptop stand. It's supposed to be like kind of a slim thing you actually leave on your laptop instead of having some extra thing to carry around. Let's check it out. Okay, why don't we check out the package first. Obviously we see the foldable stand. It can go 15 degrees, it can go 25 degrees. It looks like they're using a MacBook Pro here, very apropos because this seems to be made just for it. I'm sure it could be used on all laptops, but let's check out the back here. Free yourself from neck pain, great. Perfect to go because it stays on the thing. Adjustable height, scratch proof, spill and heat protection. It's a pretty tall order for something that looks like fabric, but let's get it open. Wow, that's really light. Feels kind of flexible. Let's pull it out. See, I got the darker model. They make a lighter and a darker version of this. I got it because I have the darker version of the MacBook Pro. But just looking at here, this is that sticky part that's underneath this plastic that's supposed to be removable and not relieve any residue. So that's pretty cool. It's got an interesting grippy texture on the bottom that's going to grip to any desk. I really like the fabric. It feels tough, but also kind of nice to touch. Obviously, the MOFT logo. Yeah, let's get it on the computer. Alright, here's the Space Gray 2018 MacBook Pro 13. As you can see, got my stickers there. If you have a cool sticker I can put here, I'm renting space, let me know. But let's see the color match here. It's a little darker, but I think it's pretty cool. Like I said, Space Gray, so I got the dark one. But let's flip it over and see placement. This is the back of the laptop right here, so let's place that down. Let me actually tilt my camera down a little bit so we can get a better view. Okay, so here's the back. This is the back edge or the rear of the computer, sticky part. They say put it right in the center, but I think I'm going to put it just like to the back because I think it will help with stability. But it seems like it fits pretty good on the 13-inch. They say this is best for a 15, but the 13, I don't think it looks too bad. It doesn't seem to go as low as the feet. Like the feet seem lower than what this is going to be. So this is the thing that's going to be resting on a table when you have it just on a table. But let's stick it on. Let's see where the best edge to pull this is from. All right, I think that's there. Let's get some ASMR on there. No? No ASMR? I guess not, but wow, that seems very sticky. Let's place this properly, shall we? Like I said, I'm going to put more towards the rear. Get it straight, because I'm pretty particular about these things. All right, let's put it down. Okay, that's actually kind of straight. So let's place it down. Oh, yeah. We do get a bit of a wobble because now the feet of the laptop are not touching the ground. So it wobbles a little bit. Let's flip it up and see what we got. I mean, it's not terrible, but let's actually try to put it on a thing here. Let's see. How does this work? Okay, so I finally figured out how to fold it. I had to look at the instructions. There's no real instructions, but had to look at how that's folded. And now, if you want to check it out, let me get the camera back up. That is how it folds. Well, that's the 25-degree version, and it sits just like that. If I want to try doing the, 15-degree version, maybe I can. Let's try it. Yep, that just lays down, and that's the 15-degree version. Let's just get a quick view like that, and that's the 15-degree version. And then I'll come back and I'll show you the 25 yet again if I can flip it back. And that's actually pretty easy to flip between the two. There you go, that's the 25. And now let's test stability. Let's pull it this way. And like I said, it wasn't so super stable while in the, not folded mode, and just a flat mode, but tell you what, then that's not too bad. The only thing I kind of don't like is, yeah, it kind of just like hangs down when you know, just don't have a handle on it. It's supposed to have magnets, but the magnets don't seem to really hold it that well. But maybe it's something I could deal with. Okay, so here you have the MOFT stand, you know, little foldable stand that sticks on the bottom of your laptop. Now this right now, if you want to get this, either color, dark or light, either one, it is still on their Kickstarter. You do have, I think, a few more days to get into Kickstarter to get that early bird pricing. The early bird pricing is $19.99, 20 bucks. And I think for 20 bucks, it's actually kind of cool. Like, it sticks on the bottom. Yeah, when it's, you know, folded down, it's not as, you know, stable on a table as you would normally have it. But the point is, you're going to use it on a table in this flipped up stand. On your lap, it's really not going to matter. But I think it's pretty cool. And for 20 bucks, I think it's worth a shot. This has been Joy Riz. See you later.